Is your Ford Mustang's key fob not working? The most common fix is a simple battery replacement. For 2018 and newer Mustangs, you'll need a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery. These batteries typically last 2 to 3 years. First, locate the key ring release button on the side of the fob and detach the key. Then, use a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to carefully open the fob case along its seam. Most 2018 Plus models have a snap-fit design. Avoid using metal tools to prevent scratches. Once the case is open, remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Firmly reassemble the key fob case. Test the functionality by pressing the buttons and checking if your Mustang responds. For optimal performance, replace the battery every 2 years proactively and recycle old batteries responsibly. Remember to work in a clean, dry area and make sure the battery is properly seated. If problems persist, consult a dealer.